Hello and welcome to Seven Mist Designs. Tonight, I'm going to be doing the second set of galvanized metal bookmarks or gift tags. I've decided that I'm going to be using the same pattern as the previous ones. I'm just going to alternate the colors. Here in my palette tonight, the two colors that I'm going to share between all three sets are the buttermilk and the Hauser green. Then I have wisteria and wild orchid. All right, let's jump into this one. right, so I've got these 3 completed, minus 1 detail, and that's going to be the other set of top dots here in the center. These wisteria dots, the lighter purple, are not quite dry yet. Once they are dry, I will go over them with a little bit of buttermilk, and that's going to finish these up. I certainly hope you enjoyed, and as always, if you've made it this far, make sure that you're subscribed and throw down a like if you do like the content. Be on the lookout for one more video of these great bookmarks. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and have a great day.